66 million years ago, life on Earth changed forever. It was an ordinary day in the late Cretaceous, when massive dinosaurs roamed lush forests, seas teemed with marine reptiles, and the skies were alive with pterosaurs. But in a single catastrophic event, their world came crashing down. This is the story of the day the dinosaurs died, told hour by hour as it unfolded in real time. In the early morning, the impactor, an asteroid roughly 6 miles wide, was already hurtling toward Earth at an unimaginable speed. To any creature below, life seemed normal. A herd of triceratops grazed in the subtropical plains of North America. Dinosaurs stalked in the forests. Birds, the small survivors of their kind, flitted between branches. They had no idea that above them, death was racing through space. When the asteroid struck near what is now the peninsula, the force released was beyond comprehension, equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. In that instant, everything within hundreds of miles was obliterated. Forests vaporized, the ground heaved, and a massive shockwave flattened everything in its path. Gigantic tsunamis surged outward across ancient oceans, swallowing coastlines. The next hour brought searing heat. Superheated debris shot into the atmosphere, then rained back down, turning skies into furnaces. Fires spread across continents, choking the air with smoke. For dinosaurs unlucky enough to survive the initial blast, this hour was worse. Those far from the impact felt the ground shake. The sky darkened, and heat waves scorched the land. Hours turned into a nightmare. As the sun disappeared behind clouds of dust and ash, temperatures dropped. Plants withered without sunlight, and ecosystems collapsed. The mighty herbivores starved first, their enormous bodies needing constant food. Without them, predators followed, struggling to find prey. What had once been a thriving, interconnected web of life unraveled, thread by thread. Day by day, the Earth grew darker, colder, and quieter. The oceans turned toxic as sulfur and chemicals from the impact rained into the seas. Whole marine ecosystems collapsed. Pterosaurs, masters of the air, vanished. Great dinosaurs like Triceratops, Ankylosaurus, and Tyrannosaurus were lost. But not everything died. Some small mammals, able to burrow and hide, endured. Certain birds, descendants of small feathered dinosaurs, managed to adapt. Crocodiles, turtles, and fish survived by clinging to waterways. These survivors would inherit the Earth, slowly rising to dominance in the empty world left behind. Hour by hour, the age of dinosaurs ended. It was not just the death of creatures, but the death of a world that had thrived for over 150 million years. Yet out of that destruction came renewal. From the ashes of the dinosaurs' reign, mammals would eventually rise, and one day, humans would walk the Earth. The day the dinosaurs died was the worst in the history of life, but it was also a beginning. Without it, we would not be here to tell their story.